Today's beginner workout is my 7-minute belly fat workout. Now I've designed this so all the moves are standing, and this is about helping to reduce that stubborn belly fat that we refer to as a visceral fat. Now that is the one that impacts our health, so it's important we try and reduce that. We're going to do it with a standing 7-minute belly fat workout. It's really easy to follow. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. I'm going to include your warm-up, your workout and your cool down. And as your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, I'm about creating you the best and most effective workout. So let's get started. So the first part, we're just going to do a quick warm-up. So just simply follow along. So we're just going to do this little side tap, just draw the arms in. You're just doing 10 of these. And the idea with this is that I'm just going to increase your core body temperature before we do the 7-minute belly fat workout. Now just bend through the knees, just draw the arms back. Keep that nice and soft. That's good. And now just give me 10 of these punches across. Just so we're now mobilizing through all your joints, and this just means we're going to have a more effective workout. And just give me 5 of these big arm circles. That's good. Okay, so now we are ready to start your workout. So I'm going to show you a preview of the first move. So this is the first move, standing straight. We're just going to draw the knee up and draw both arms down, just alternating the knees. So if you just get ready, come into position. We're going to do this for 20 seconds. So how it works today, this is our main move. We do this for 20 seconds and then I'm going to give you 7 different belly fat standing ab exercises, and we always come back to this one. All right, so just keep going, just follow along with what I'm doing. So this is exercise number 1. So feet are wider than hip width distance apart and just reach from one side to the other. Now the key with this one is you keep those knees slightly bent, keep your tummy muscles pulled in. We're doing this for a duration of 40 seconds, and I'm also going to give you lots of different tips today on how we can safely reduce excess belly fat. So you can see these tips in the video, and just keep going from one side to the other. Reach that across. That's good. Knees stay bent. So this one here is really lovely at working through your abs and your core. So now we're going to go back to that same move. So doing that belly fat standing ab cardio crunch. So this one here, we're really getting the heart rate up. So alternating the knees, put some power in that, draw those arms down and really keep those tummy muscles tight. Think about where we're working. Think about the point of this routine today, what our goal is. So next exercise, in feet hip width distance apart, give me these power punches and really exaggerate. Take one arm so you're really reaching it across your body, feeling that through the waist. So this one here, again, is going to increase your heart rate. Here's another tip for you as well. And as I always say, you know, it's really important we have high fiber, starchy foods and go for things like brown rice instead of white rice, brown bread instead of white bread. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Put some power in those punches. And you can do this depending on where you are on your health goal as a 7-day or 14-day challenge. At the end of the video, I've left you these charts so you can take a screenshot. Right, next move, let's come straight back to that belly fat standing ab cardio crunch, keeping that going. Doing this for 20 seconds. So you can see it's a really fun workout. Next time you come back and do it, you don't have to have me talking, you'll know what you're doing, so why not put on your favorite piece of music. Next exercise, this time again, same stance, but now we're just doing this torso twist. So this one here, an ab waist twist. Key thing with this, make sure you're keeping your hips nice and still for me. So the rotation is just coming through what we call your internal and external obliques. Knees stay soft. That's good. So we're really isolating, working through the waist. Keeping that going. That's good. Nice control. Keep that focused. Knees stay soft. Going from one side to the other. Then when we've reached that timer bar, let's take it straight now back into your belly fat standing ab cardio crunch, keeping that going. So upper body stays nice and straight with this. Keep those core muscles pulled in. So just think where your belly button is, try and draw it in tight to your spine. That way we're then really engaging your transverse abdominis, that deepest abdominal muscle. All right, that's good. So your next move with this one, come into a split stance, arms in front and just draw that knee in. just keeping that going. That's good. And so you're really taking that foot back, then you draw it up. And as that knee comes up, really think about pulling those tummy muscles in tight. And let's just change, take that to that opposite leg. So this is a really big dynamic move. That's it, keeping that going. You know, and the best way to help reduce belly fat is never doing anything like the plank. It's all about doing these standing cardio abs. All right, that's good. So let's bring it straight back now to that belly fat standing ab cardio crunch. And if this is an area you really want to work on, I've got so many videos. What I've done at the end of this video, I've put together a playlist for you. And these have had over 200 million views. They've helped so many people. They really work. It's about being consistent and doing the right exercises. Right, next move. Just imagine now you are hitting a tennis ball for me. So we're just going to work one side and really swing through with the arms, but feel that coming through those abdominals. So again, this one here is going to get your heart rate up. It's a full body move, but we're also really targeting as well through those abdominals and using those core muscles. And tip 5's a really good one. Do this next time you go shopping, just read all those labels. So many of them are so misleading. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And well done. So now let's bring that straight back to that belly fat standing ab cardio crunch. And also, do let me know how many times you've seen Princess Sultana walk past in this video. So just keep going. And the point of this is we're doing this for our health, not to look a certain way. It's just about making you be the healthiest and best version of yourself. Now, again, we're going to do that same tennis move, just on the opposite side. And really put power in that. So just imagine you're hitting something really hard and feel that coming through those core muscles. So you are doing really well. We've got one more move after this. So let's just keep that going. Nice control. Keeping going. Well done. That's good. So you can see that timer bar. Keep going until we reach the top on there. Then we're going to go straight back to our belly fat standing ab cardio crunch. So let's get ready. Take the arms straight above your head and draw that knee up. Keep that going. So last little bit, we've got one more after this. So let's go for 100%. Put in 100% effort, because when you do that, you get 100% results. And if you do this for the next 7 days or 14 days, and you're good and follow all those tips, you will notice such a difference and be so happy with those results and with your health. That's good. Now, if you find it too hard with the arms, have your hands on your hips, or if not, aim to take those fingertips to reach the feet on there, keeping that going. That's good. Nice control. Upper body stays nice and straight. Feel those through those core muscles. That's good. Keeping that going. So all of these standing ab cardio moves, the great thing is they also really work your balance, your flexibility, your joint health. They tick absolutely every single box. All right, well done. So what I want you to do, just keep marching for me. And we're now going to do a stretch. So what is important, take 1 foot behind, hands stay on that bent leg. And it's so important, always do this stretch with me. This gives you a chance to get your heart rate back down. And it also then really realigns your muscles. And let's take that to the opposite leg behind so it prevents any injury, because we want to make sure that we're keeping exercise a consistent part of our life. This is also really good when we stretch to help realign our muscles, so it's good for our posture. Now take 1 foot in front, heel is up, toes are lifted. This is just stretching through the hamstring, and there she goes again. When you come and do this video next time, let me know how many times you think you see her in the comments down below. And also do keep me updated on how you're getting on, your results. On my website, I've got lots of different blogs with tips all about this issue. If you're struggling and you want healthy weight loss, I've got all the information. It's all completely free. And let's just take that to the opposite leg. There is no magic pill. It is all about lifestyle. That's good. And let's now take those arms in front. Feel that lovely stretch through the top of the upper back. And then take the arms behind. And that is your 7-minute workout complete. So well done. So there is your high five. Well done. And remember, we're doing this simply for our health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. And you can take a screenshot of this, press pause if you want the 7-day challenge, or if you want the 14-day one, take a screenshot and let me know how you get on. And also if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already, definitely subscribe.